Alrighty, we're gonna put a light bar on the 89 GMC. This one here, but this is an Alpine. I'm gonna show you all how to wire it in just to your high beams, because that should be the only time you use these, really, to be honest with you. But I don't know what, oh, it's just stuck in there. But yeah, I'm gonna drill some holes and bolt her to the GMC. I'll try to make it interesting. All right, first you want to take from your brackets, bolt your brackets on. This is the way I do it. It might make it easier. So we'll call it 25 3/4. So that would be 12 1/2, I think. 22, 7, 11. But that is, yeah, so the light itself is a 22, so we want to split the difference, and we want to make it, put a mark here. Hold on. So lock her down. So take your 11, mark 11, barely see it. Then you want to take and put this 11, see, on my truck, the bumper is V'd. So what you want to do is find your 11 mark and center it with that V, and then drill your holes, mark your holes, and it'll be perfectly centered. All right, so what's that mark at? Don't want it to move. So now you have your marks right there, and I'm gonna find them again. Just to make sure I don't lose them, or I can see them better with my blind ass. Boy, I'm shaky. Alrighty. I forgot to add is where you put your marks at. You want to measure that too, because mine were off. See, I'm going off of the curve. So that's it, 1/2. So I redid it, and it's at 1/2. So it's good. Make sure you measure on each side, because then you'll be oblong on it. So then you want to get your drill. thought is like, yins don't know that's what you do next. And then make sure you're right, because once you get her in, ain't no turning back. Oh yeah, when you're doing this, make sure there ain't a radiator or nothing behind there. Dumb. Oh, you gotta see that thing I used to put the marks is also meant so you can start your drill bit without it walking on you. Which I'm having a hard time getting it. Something. Oh, we're hitting something. What the hell is it hitting? These bits are cheap. Wow. So, look what I did to that bit. That's crazy. Chrome, or whatever, it took a toll on it. So, what we're going to do, I think, the hole's there. Bam! We're just going to open it up. Should be good. And so now you come to the holes. 20. So 25, so that'd be 12 and a half. Boom. That's, I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's it. That's money. Then you check your height from the bottom. Do it like this. See, I don't like that metal thing. It messes with me when I try to read it. So we'll put it right on 1. I just want to get an accurate reading even somewhere. Put it in the center, right on 1. I think I'm off, but well, it looks good. It's probably crooked. Probably have to make this hole down. I think I drilled in the wrong hole, but we'll fix that. Not a biggie. So we'll just make that one a little bigger with a washer, and we can adjust it. Okay, next step. All right. It's always cool to have, can any of y'all guess what that's for? Let me see here. If I could find the rest of it, it'd be already cool to use. Okay. Oh, of course. Of course. Take that one out. Take that one out. Oh. Oh, shit. Yeah, take that one out. Guess which one it is. On the damn bottom. This is always, if you guys, these ain't very much on eBay. Bam! It's a lot easier to put the studs in. I'll show you how to do that. To put these in there. And then have your bolts bolted to there. And it's a lot easier, just trust me. I'll be back. All right, we're gonna put the nuts in permanently. Boom. One in. Oh, let's mess that up. Okay. Boom. Boom. Makes life a lot easier. Now I'll demonstrate. Instead of laying on the ground, trying to hold a nut on there or whatever. Bam. Oh, I say it makes it a lot easier, man. And you want to take your drill bits, find yourself the right size. That one's too tight. Is it just me? Is it hard for someone with a garage to keep organized drill bits? See, that one fits tight, but we want to maybe make it a hair bigger. So, you know, in case it's not 100% on and it's bothering you, you could do a little of adjusting. So, we got our drill bit to drill our holes.